tutorial about my eyes and how I get them so bright and whatnot. So I just took this off the internet, and I just realized there's cars right there in the reflection. So I'm gonna clone stamp that out real quick. Alright, good enough. Whatever. Like I always do, I start out black and white. And then usually I'll put a curves or levels depending on how much I need to change the shadows, and contrast, and whatnot. In this case, I'll put both on. Alright. Depending on what color you want to make it, I'm going to use this planet. So, I guess an orange color. Usually I'll start just coloring the eye part just with a white brush. Do a color overlay, and looks like a good color. Then an outer glow, make that overlay, make that a little bit darker. Alright, decent enough. And then usually I'll just build up the value of lights and darks. So in this case I will make a nice glow right there. Clipping masks. So I get that out of the way. And then I will do another color overlay. Do a screen this time. Looks like a nice orange. And then do a color dodge. Color dodge is mainly what I use to get my really bright colors. So, I mean, that's pretty simple right there. There's 2 layers of color, some editing, and then let's see, take this planet, actually cut this out because I don't know how big the pupil is. Chop out that. Alright, we're good. So, okay, right on. Fits pretty well. Then I'll erase what's not in the eyeball part. And then I will set this to screen. Let me do an overlay. Yeah, looks pretty decent. Maybe erase some of it. Then do an outer glow. A little bit darker. Looks pretty decent. Actually, I'm going to do a color overlay. This is how I get a lot of my objects a little bit darker. Put a dark gray color overlay on it, depending on how dark you want it. Okay. So erase a little bit of that, and then and I can do center of the eye. I know it's black, but I'm not gonna make it black. I will do a whitish thin outer glow. Just mess around. If you don't know what the sliders do, just slide them back and forth and see what happens. And then let's see. Next thing I would do is build up my dark values. Like I said before, put a darker overlay on it. Yeah, that's good enough. Copyright style. And actually, I will erase some of this eye. And then actually I'm going to duplicate the eye layer. Let's merge that. Release clipping mask. I'm going to multiply on it. Erase some of that darker. Let's see. Let's turn this down a little bit. Yeah, something like that. And then not yet. But okay. Actually, I will filter on this. Get it a little bit juicy looking. Then I will color overlay on this. Make it a little bit darker. Alright, good enough. And then let's see, what else can we do? We can do, to make the glow kind of cover the eye, or the surrounding of the eye. I'll put an overlay on it. Looks decent. Clipping mask. Do some of that unwanted stuff. Alright, and then I will build up my lighter values. And I do that the same way I do with the darks, but just make it lighter. So I'm not sure I'm digging that. Yeah, let's ditch that. Let's do something different. Go in my brushes. I like this one. Oh, why are you freezing up? Something like that. And then erase part that's not in the eye. Let's see. Let's do. Alright, let's keep it like that. Alright, whatever. Then I'm gonna take the eye again, then drag it to the top, merge them layers, and then to get a more defined sort of eye figure from all the colors and everything, just put that on top, make that overlay. Let's see, what else can I do? Use this. Right now it's just whatever you want to do, basically. That's how the main way I get my vibrancy out of it. So really it's just messing around. Let's see, put an everglow, let's do color dodge. Yeah, whatever. Paste. And then let's see, what else can we do? Let's shatter this eye right here. Actually, I don't know. Guess that looks pretty cool. Let's do a little bit darker. Okay, do color overlay. Oops. Yeah, never mind. Just keep that normal. Looks kind of cool. Actually, you should get your idea down first. Right now, this is all from scratch, so make your own creations. Yeah, I guess we'll do a lens flare, why not? Everything looks better with lens flare. Oh yeah, it also helps to know your quick keys. So learn those, because they help a lot. Alright, good enough. Paste that. Let's make this a little bit more white. And then I'll do another one. Whatever. And usually when I'm done, I will put a levels on it if I want to adjust. That's where get all that vibrancy from. Yeah, so there it is. Just follow those steps and really just experiment. But next tutorial I'll go more in depth with something more in depth.